Good evening, my beautiful YouTube family. Welcome back to City Kitchen Moments. I hope you all are doing absolutely wonderful today. In today's full day healthy food routine vlog, I'm taking you through all the simple meal prep activities that make the next day cooking stress free, healthy, and organized. Sometimes just spending a little time in the night can save so much effort the next day. So let's begin our cozy kitchen preparations together. Right now, it's evening time and I'm starting my overnight prep work for tomorrow's meals. First, I'm taking almonds, pine nuts, and sunflower seeds. I washed thoroughly and soaked the almonds nicely in water. Tomorrow morning, I'll peel the almond skin and dry roast the seeds lightly for breakfast. Overnight soaking helps improve texture and makes them easier to digest too. Next, I'm keeping suji, also called semolina, ready for tomorrow's preparation because I'm planning to make a comforting and healthy suji upma for lunch. I always feel that keeping ingredients ready beforehand makes cooking feel calm and enjoyable. Now I'm moving on to quinoa. I'm rinsing the quinoa thoroughly multiple times because it helps remove any bitterness. After washing properly, I'm soaking it overnight. Tomorrow I will cook it and pair it with protein for a balanced healthy meal. For tomorrow's evening snack, I'm keeping puffed rice ready. It's light, crunchy, and such a simple snack option when you want something quick and satisfying in the evening. And for tomorrow night dinner, I'm planning to prepare homemade bell pepper soup. So I've already taken out bajra flour because I will add just a little bit to the soup for thickness and extra nutrition. Bajra adds such a nice earthy flavor and makes the soup more filling too. Now I'm rinsing and soaking black chana. I'll be using this for sprouts. I love making homemade sprouts because they can be used in salads, stir fries, breakfast bowls, and many healthy recipes throughout the week. Once soaked properly, tomorrow I will rinse them and keep them covered so they can sprout beautifully over the next 2 to 3 days. And just like that, all my important prep work for tomorrow is done. Honestly, spending a little time at night makes the next day meal preparation so much easier and smoother. Everything feels organized and peaceful in the kitchen. Alright, my lovely family, that's all for tonight's preparation. I will meet you all again tomorrow morning. Good night and see you in the morning. Good morning, everyone. What an awesome and refreshing morning it is today. The first thing I love doing every morning is drinking warm water in my earthy clay cup. Somehow, water feels extra soothing and grounding in a clay cup. It's such a peaceful way to start the day. Now I'm placing eggs for boiling. I'm boiling them for about 20 minutes on high flame. While the eggs are cooking, the kitchen already feels alive and energetic this morning. The eggs are perfectly boiled now. I'm gently cracking open the shells and slicing the eggs into halves. I will keep them aside for our healthy breakfast platter. And now, let's start preparing today's suji upma. First, I'm heating ghee in a pan. Into the hot ghee, I'm adding mustard seeds, cumin seeds, dry red chilies, curry leaves, cashew nuts, chana dal, and urad dal. Listen to that beautiful sizzling sound. This tempering itself smells absolutely incredible. Next, I'm adding chopped ginger, green chilies, and sliced tomatoes. I will saute everything for a minute until the ingredients become aromatic and lightly roasted. Now I'm pouring in 5 cups of water along with salt to taste. While the water comes to a boil, I'm preparing a few healthy breakfast sides. I'm cutting fresh lemon into wedges and keeping them aside. Lemon squeezed over hot upma tastes so refreshing. Next, I'm slicing a ripe avocado into beautiful creamy slices. Now let's move on to our soaked nuts and seeds from last night. I'm dry roasting sunflower seeds and pine nuts lightly until they turn beautifully golden and aromatic. The nutty smell filling the kitchen right now is just amazing. I'm also peeling the skin from the soaked almonds. They become so soft after soaking overnight and the skin slips right off easily. And now it's time to arrange the breakfast plate. I'm plating the roasted nuts and seeds, avocado slices, boiled eggs cut into halves, and sliced banana. This breakfast is packed with healthy fats, protein, fiber, and energy to start the day right. Everything looks so colorful, fresh, and nourishing. This is the kind of breakfast that truly makes you feel good from the inside out. While enjoying breakfast, let's check on our boiling water for the upma. The water is perfectly boiling now, so I'm slowly adding 1 cup of semolina or suji while continuously stirring. This step is important so the upma stays soft and lump-free. I'll keep stirring gently on low heat until the suji cooks beautifully and absorbs all the flavors. Once done, I'm turning off the stove and covering it with a lid for a few minutes. And just like that, today's lunch is ready. A comforting homemade suji upma is prepared and ready to enjoy later in the day. Now let's continue with our healthy meal prep routine. I'm washing and rinsing the soaked black chana in a mesh strainer. After draining well, I'm placing it into a bowl and covering it with a lid. Over the next 2 to 3 days, I will keep rinsing and covering the chana repeatedly until fresh sprouts develop. Homemade sprouts are such an amazing addition to healthy eating routines. Next, let's cook the quinoa we soaked overnight. I'm rinsing it once more and draining the water completely. In a pot, I'm adding 6 cups of water along with a little ghee and bringing it to a boil. Once the water starts boiling, I'm slowly adding the soaked and rinsed quinoa. Now I'll cover it with the lid and let it cook on low heat until fluffy and perfectly done. And there we go. Our quinoa is beautifully cooked and ready to pair with any protein source, vegetables, or healthy bowls during the week. It's lunchtime now, so let's finally enjoy the suji upma we prepared earlier. I'm squeezing fresh lemon juice over the hot upma before serving. The tangy lemon flavor on warm upma tastes absolutely delicious. For the evening snack, I've taken marvaralu, also known as puffed rice. It's simple, light, crunchy, and perfect for guilt-free evening munching. So this was my morning to evening healthy food routine vlog. I truly hope you all enjoyed spending the day with me in the kitchen and found some inspiration for healthy meal prep and mindful eating. If you enjoyed this video, please do subscribe to Siri Kitchen Moments and click the bell icon for the latest updates. Kindly like this video and share healthy eating habits with your loved ones. I always love hearing from you all, so please comment your thoughts, feedback, and favorite part of today's vlog in the comment section below. Until the next healthy and delicious video, love you all so much. Love from Siri Kitchen Moments.